Yeah, this where hip-hop begins and that whack shit ends. Cause I'm tired of hearing about all that cash you spend. Cause your rhymes lack taste, there's no substance. I said your flow needs work, put that shit under construction. Flowing like water through a quiet stream. My dedication is amazing through a silent dream. Chasing medication just to serve a fiend so I can make a quick buck. Man, you wouldn't believe the shit I seen in my lifetime. On a short timeline, 30 years old, where to go to keep my mind right. This shit is crazy lately, man, I'm so stressed. But I just brush it off and still progress. Man, this rap shit is my bitch with no sex, but I'm busting lyrical nuts on the mic when I hold it. I'm focused, explosive, my dosage is potent. My one and only motive is to step up and own it. I told them I ain't never coming with no whack shit. People run their mouth not knowing what the facts is, when fact is they don't even know me. As far as I'm concerned, you can all kick rocks until your toes bleed.
I see the night getting darker, feel the street growing colder. The more the time moving forward, we move forward toward disorder. The murder rate increasing, crooked fingers pulling triggers. Seems that you against the blue, so what we do, pray Lord forgive us and move how we move. My rent been past due, my bills is all late and my babies need food. So what y'all think I'ma do? I'ma go out there and get it any way that I have to, so y'all gon' have to. This that everyday struggle, what we ain't supposed to share. It's that real, that 100, y'all been programmed not to care. So we serve y'all the real with the hopes that you try. Cause all these new cats funny, bro, I swear they arrive. Prince around in they jeggings and they leggings and such. I know you're raised by your mamas, but y'all doing too much. Our words can move mountains, maybe even mold the mind. So stop and think about that shit and put some substance in your rhyme.
They won't have to ask who's an animal when I go damn at you. I take the fake out of the fake and watch it become real for you. With your gimmicky ass, your lyrics are trash. I put that on blast, you ain't even master your own craft. You with that same shit every track. You spitting throwback after throwback, niggas so whack. You ain't saying nothing new, you ain't original. I know what they gonna do because these niggas typical. This trash is overcrowding the airways. Seems to be the only shit to make it to our airways. So I spit over the top like a toupee, giving you that cold new flavor like a limbe. Master of my own craft, nigga call me sensei. I keep it 100 no matter what the fuck I say. You wanna test your luck? Okay nigga, try me. Just know no fakers ever got by me. I do this for real though, you dildo, I don't play. I say all the shit that you bitch niggas won't say. I don't need to sit here and rap about gunplay when you niggas dressing like a female model on the runway. What a shame, but I guess that is the game. But I refuse to be a sellout or a motherfucking lame. Yeah, we all rap nigga, but we ain't one and the same. And I'ma keep beating the beat up until that shit is tame hot.